Hello everybody and welcome back on my YouTube channel. On Wednesday morning last week, Trade Republic came out with big news. But before we come to that, we're going to look at a few other small updates to my brokerage account overview for Germany September 2020 edition. Starting off with Smart Broker. Before, you always had to pay €4 for domestic trades, no matter how high, no matter which exchange. It was always €4. Now it depends on if your order size is below €500 or above €500. Below €500, it still stays with this €4 for everything rule. Above €500 order size, you can now get zero fees if you use the exchange Getex. That's the Munich exchange. You can only pay €1 for using the Lang & Schwarz exchange, or you still pay €4 for all other exchanges, just as you would if you were trading an amount below €500. So basically the big news is Smart Broker now also offers free trading with the condition you have to have order sizes of above €500 and have to trade via Getex. But that's Smart Broker's point against Just Trade and Gratis Broker, who also offer this zero fee investing with the condition of the minimum 500 order size. But with Smart Broker, the nice point is you can also trade below €500, but then it's just not free, it's €4 per order. Okay? Then another small change was before they had 93 stock savings plans, now they have 102. But the bigger news there is that before they used to have only German stock savings plans. Now they also have some international ones, being specific from the US. That's quite an important change. Still, however, you are not able to buy fragments. So they offer savings plans, but up until now they do not offer savings plans with fractional shares. They just don't offer that, so it's not really a stock savings plan then for me. Then coming to Scalable Capital, that's a completely new kid in town. That's why this whole section is marked blue. It's a new brokerage company. They were doing robo-advisors before, and now they also do brokerage. So what's up with them? Starting off with good news: no custodian fee, no interest on offset account, no fees on dividends, but here also minimum order of €500. Savings plans, of course, are exempted from this number. Savings plans start from €25. ETF savings plans, they don't have any stock savings plans. And then they have a little bit unique fee model because they offer flat rates. They have this free broker, they have one free ETF savings plan, and the next one costs 99 cents. And also keep in mind, with this free broker subscription, even though it's no subscription, you pay 99 cents per trade and still have the minimum order size of €500. Or you go for the Prime Broker, there you pay about €3 or $2.99 per month on an annual bill. Then you get unlimited trades down here, unlimited trades and unlimited free savings plans, but you have this €3 per month basically. And then you can also get the Prime Broker Flex. That will then only be billed monthly and not on an annual basis, and that's $4.99 a month. And other than that, it's the same than the prime broker. It's just the billing is different. Scalable Capital, what's good, what's not so good? They have many ETF savings plans, and basically all ETFs they offer, they are available as savings plans. So they have a good assortment, especially for ETFs. They have a relatively small minimum size for ETF savings plans. It's $25, and then they have a good website and a good app. I think that's basically the first brokerage in Germany that can offer that. I mean, there are many offering both website and app, but many don't have a decent app, or many don't have a decent website, or many don't have some don't have a website at all, like Trade Republic, and they have decent ones for both of them, so that's a good point for usability. Then they also just only go via Getex Munich exchange, so you only have one exchange to choose from. Yeah. Then, and also important, they have flat rate withholding tax handling, so they handle the taxes for you in Germany, and unlike DEGIRO, for example, where you have to do that for yourself. Summary quickly: great ETF assortment, cheap trading flat rates, one completely free ETF savings plan if you go with the free broker. That's actually if you like this big assortment, because the ETF assortment of Scalable Capital is bigger than the ETF assortment for Trade Republic, for example. If you only need one ETF, and this is that you can only get on Scalable and not on Trade Republic, then this might be a good point for you, because you can get one ETF completely free with the free broker model. Then they have a good app and a good website. However, minimum size of order, that's always a big point, but sometimes maybe not for you. Then there are no stock savings plans and only one exchange, as we said. Now, speaking of stock savings plans, on this Wednesday, Trade Republic came out and said, we now offer 1,000 stock savings plans. Why is this big news? Stock savings plans at first let you buy fractional shares. For example, Amazon. If I would like to buy Amazon now in Germany, one share would cost me at least $2,700. Many people don't have that money or don't want to spend that money just on Amazon. So Trade Republic now lets you buy, 10% of an Amazon share. So that would get you at least down to 270 euros, for example. But it's actually even better if you hear me out later on. So that's the first point. Stock savings plans lets you buy fractional shares of companies. Then the smallest minimum stock savings plan is only 10 euros. And they actually also lowered that amount for ETFs. So you can not only buy 10% of an Amazon share now, you can buy 10 euros worth of Amazon and don't have to spend $2,700 to just get in, to participate on the farewelling or the business of Amazon. Then not even last but not least, but then it's completely free. It's the first the one and only completely free stock savings plan on the market in Germany right now, only considering that Smart Broker is technically also free. Actually, they are not. Sorry, no. Then it's the one and only free stock savings plan on the market in Germany right now. Let that sink in for a second. And then, now last but not least, they have the greatest stock savings plans assortment by far. So we just talked about the 102 for Smart Broker. And Trade Republic goes to 999. I think they're actually at 1000 now. But it doesn't really make a difference because the second biggest is ING with just above 450 stock savings plans, and they are not even free. So that's why big news, and for me personally it's really a big thing. Yeah, because there's not much you can complain about at Trade Republic now anymore. Basically, the biggest limiting factor for me is the limited, especially ETF assortment, and might be a limiting factor for you that it's only one exchange. There's no desktop trading, there's only an app, even though the app is very good. I really love working with the app. I also worked with Smart Broker in the last couple of weeks, and they only have a web interface, and it's really a pain if you compare a web interface of a bank like Smart Broker to the simple and easy app of Trade Republic. That's just from my side. I also like Smart Broker, but for different reasons, because they have a huge assortment and still are very cheap. They basically have everything assortment wise you would want, and that's the only really limiting factor for Trade Republic. The last step for Trade Republic to me would only be lump sum fractional shares. Then we would finally enter German Robinhood territorium, with the only exception that it's still €1 per trade, so for every sell or buy transaction. That's it from me. If you want to get my opinion, I think the best you can do is basically work with Trade Republic and Smart Broker currently. It's good to have two brokerage accounts anyway, so if one is down or for multiple reasons. However, as I said before, Scalable Capital, the broker, might be a viable new option for some as well, because of this free broker that lets you set up one completely free ETF savings plan. They have a good app, they have a good website, and they have a better assortment ETF wise than Trade Republic. That's now really everything from me for today. I hope you learned something out of that. I will also link the original video for the brokerage account comparison down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and then have a nice weekend. Bye bye.